Like, there's people out there that are just working harder than everybody else.
All right, we're up early and we have a busy shop, and I cannot believe that it's almost been a full year now since we were acquired by Crash Champions. And in this video, we are gonna talk about how it's been for the past year working with them, how they like to do things in the shop. We're gonna head on down to the new shop and see how that one is doing, talk to some of the guys, and just give you my thoughts on how it's been to work for this company since the takeover. All right, so we've got a lot to do in this video, and I told you in the last video that when you're getting your booth loads ready, try to get the same family of colors in there together. That way you can mix up the same sealer. That is gonna save you a lot of time as well as save in material. So we've got a RAV4 here, which is a charcoal, and then we've got this one here, which is a bedside on a newer Chevrolet truck. These will be able to use the same sealer. So what I like to do is I'll group those type of jobs together. We even have a Tesla here that we could use the same color sealer on, and that's gonna save time as well as money. So not only do I have top of the line paint and materials to use, but the body men have whatever they need to use in the shop that is top quality. Yes, we did have a premium shop before the purchase, but Crash Champions came in and bought a lot more equipment to make us that much better, along with training. So a lot of the body men will go to training for different manufacturers. That way we can keep our level up in the shop and be a certified quality repair center. So my man Mike is actually away right now doing the Rivian training. That way he is up on his game. And if you followed me on Instagram, you would have seen some of the iCar classes that Crash Champions does keep us at a top level. That way we can do a quality repair for these customers. All right, so one thing that is very important in a shop is keeping it maintained, and that is one thing that they do. They have scheduled maintenance for the compressor as well as the spray booth to keep it up to date. We just had our ceiling filters changed out, and I did the floors right after that. The booth will be getting treated here soon for a full makeover, peeling off the walls and then repainting it white. That way it's nice and clean and presentable, and we're able to get a nice quality job time after time. Keeping up on maintenance is a big thing, and that is something that I have seen in the past working at other shops that they will neglect until something breaks. Then you're down and out and the shop isn't producing. That means that you're not producing. So anytime something is scheduled and maintained on a regiment, it's gonna be better for you as well as the shop. Also using quality stuff like these filters. These are designed for the intake, and they are top quality filters that are gonna keep this booth producing nice and clean work. And I'll go over that with you guys now, because in the past, I have had some trouble with it. So having the right products as well as maintaining it and keeping things up on scheduled maintenance is gonna be key to producing that time and time again, beautiful finish that we're looking for. Don't ask me how I know that this is a crucial part of getting a clean job. And you guys see here that I keep using that WOLFBOX mini air duster. That thing comes in handy like you wouldn't believe. And right now it is on sale to the 25th. Everything will be in the description below. All right, so we've got it all blown off, and that is something that I've always done through the years. Was once the intake filters were replaced, I get up there and I blow them off the best I can, because if you don't, your first couple of paint jobs will be dirty in a spray booth, because a lot of times the guys that are doing that will lay it outside. They may even lay it on the floor because they have to roll that out on those intake grates to get them in place before they go ahead and install them. So a lot of times those guys are ripping and running. They're not worried about how good of a job they're doing. They're just installing new filters and they're leaving it up to us painters. So you guys seen we use the WOLFBOX blower. Definitely comes in handy because when you don't have the booth on, you're not gonna have pressure in your lines. They have a lot of safety features on these booths. That way you're not in here during bake cycles and different things like that, because if you have the doors open and you turn on the booth, you can change and screw up the pressure in the booth and then have to deal with that kind of thing. So I like to just open it up, blow it off, and now I'm using my WOLFBOX blowgun and it's coming in handy. So now that we've got everything blown off, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the booth, get everything flowing, blow it off good around the walls, and then we're gonna go ahead and treat the floor. That way we got our sticky coating on, and then we have a clean booth. So
it's no surprise that Crash Champions is thriving under the leadership of Matt Ebert. What began as a single auto body repair shop in New Lenox, Illinois, has grown into a nationwide force with over 650 locations and a team of passionate, skilled professionals. Matt Ebert isn't just the CEO, he's a former technician who understands the business from the inside out. From day one, his mission has been clear: build a company grounded in trust, quality, and people. That vision has turned Crash Champions into one of the fastest growing MSOs, multi-shop operators in the collision repair industry, generating over $3 billion in revenue and earning a reputation for innovation, consistency, and care. But what truly sets Matt apart is his commitment to people. He's known for personally investing in the growth of his employees, developing future leaders, creating pathways for advancement, and ensuring every shop lives up to the name Champions. As Matt says, the moment you stop improving is the moment you stop leading. His passion, grit, and belief in doing things the right way have made Crash Champions a company customers can trust and employees are proud to be part of.
So that was a little backstory on Crash Champions and how this whole company started out with the man, Matt Ebert himself. So let's head on down to the new shop. I want to show you guys that place because it's been a minute since we've been down there. All right, so we made it to the new shop, and it's funny because the first job last time that was here in the shop was a Dodge Ram, and now we've got another one here. So check out this place. They're definitely getting filled up with cars, and they're moving cars through the shop. But check out this place. Isn't this a beautiful, beautiful facility? And it is air conditioned. So let's see what's going on over here by the booths. All right, so this is Manny, and he is one of the painters at the new shop. What are you guys thinking of this place so far?
Man, it is beautiful, man. Beautiful shop. I love it.
So Crash has been good, right?
Oh yeah, oh, every time, every day.
And that's what this video is about, because I've been enjoying Crash, and I'm sure you guys are at this shop as well. So how's the Hunter line doing?
Oh man, bro, in the beginning it was a little bit tough, but now it's like, it's a piece of cake.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Yeah.
All right, this is Mike, one of the body men in the shop, and he's always in a good mood, this guy.
Always.
He's always smiling, and he is a big fan of Crash too. So how do you like working here at Crash?
I loving it, bro.
You love
Having
it?
a good time, I enjoying it, and bro, doing my thing, making that money, and you know, always having fun, bro. It's always try to do the best and make the money and go home.
And
What's going on, dude? How you doing?
I see you got another ram to work on like you had the first day we were here.
Oh, I know, dude. They don't stop.
What do you got, a bedside?
Yes, sir.
All right, here's one of the young guys in the shop, and let them know how it is to work for Crash Champions.
It's great. It's great. I love it. I got no complaints. Just relax, you know, do my job, and that's it. You know?
This is a phenomenal shop.
Oh yeah, definitely. Brand new equipment, brand new everything. Beautiful shop, AC. That's, you can't ask for much in Florida, you know.
All right, and this is Mike, the manager of the shop. We never did get to introduce you to him. He was at another shop running it while this one was getting opened up that time. What's going on, Mike?
How y'all doing? Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you.
And how are you liking the new shop?
It's great. It's growing every day. We're getting bigger and bigger. Team's all engaged. We're all ready to roll. Just come on down and see us. We're ready to take care of you.
Looks like they got the 46G. Someone's gonna be painting this one. So that is what I was telling you guys about working for Crash. You've seen that everybody inside this shop was in a good mood, and this wasn't staged. I didn't even let them know that I was coming down here. I wanted you guys to see their real reaction on how it is to work for Crash Champions. Everybody's in a good mood. We're doing our things. We're making money. Let's head on back to our shop and we'll finish out this video. So that's the update on how things have been going at the shop since the takeover of Crash Champions. And I really can't believe it's already been almost a year now. I guess things fly by when you're having a good time. And we definitely had some fun here at the shop, switching over to the Glazeret, learning a new system, meeting new people in the paint world, and having a great time in the middle of doing all that. Crash Champions does give you the tools to do the job, and they keep them maintained. Yes, you have to go after some of these people sometimes and get it finished up, but it's nice to know that those things are being handled, the shops are being maintained, and everything is being serviced. That way we can keep this shop moving. So you've seen the guys down at the other shop, very happy to work for Crash. I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.